welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm back with another video. It's all about sunscreen. Just because summer has already arrived in our country and it's too hot outside and we all need to put our sunscreen, and without sunscreen you cannot go out of your house because sun rays nowadays are very harmful. So I have top 5 sunscreen for oily skin and top 5 sunscreen for dry skin. So I'll first start with the oily skin and then I'll move to the dry skin. So enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Okay guys, I hope you saw all the sunscreen that I have mentioned in my video, and most importantly I did not do it in a budget. It was across the budget. I didn't want to keep it in budget because sometimes in budget it's very tough to find sunscreen, good sunscreen. So it was across the budget. If you are from if you are willing to pay more, then you can also pay more, and if you are not willing to pay that much, I have also mentioned something for you too. So today I'll finish off my video here. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button, and like my video of course if you liked it. Share, comment, and don't forget to check the description box below because I have given all the links of the sunscreens, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media. I am in Facebook and Instagram. Also I have given the links in the description box below. So this is me, Rita, standing off. Bye bye. Bye.